Welcome to our detailed comparison between the EP-IP-Link Archer AX73 routers. In this review, we'll explore four key specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware components, and software functionalities. Wireless. The Archer A7 operates on Wi-Fi standards with AX73 speeds, offering 1300 Mbps on the 5GHz band and 450 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. Meanwhile, the Archer AX73 embraces Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering AX5400 speeds with 4800 speeds with 4800 5GHz and 5GHz. Both routers feature high-performance antennas and support dual-band connectivity for optimal performance. Security. Both routers provide robust network security, including spy firewall, access control, IP binding, and application layer gateway. However, the Archer AX73 enhances security with Home Shield features, offering real-time IAP protection, malicious site blocking, intrusion prevention, DOS attack prevention, and a home network scanner. Additionally, both models support guest networks, VPN server functionalities, and advanced encryption standards for secure data transmission. Hardware. The Archer A7 is equipped with a Qualcomm QPU, Onyx Gigabit WAN port, and Forks Gigabit LAN ports. On the other hand, the Archer AX73 features a more powerful 1.5 GHz triple-core CPU, along with Onyx Gigabit WAN port and Forks Gigabit LAN ports. Additionally, the Archer AX73 supports static link aggregation, lag, with TUX LAN ports, enhancing network performance for compatible devices. Software. Both routers support IP4 and E6 protocols, quality of service, QoS, by device, and cloud services for firmware upgrades and dynamic DNS support. The Archer AX73 introduces advanced parental controls through Home Shield, allowing custom profiles, content filtering, scheduling, and detailed usage reports. Both models offer convenient management options through the Tether app and web interface. In summary, while the Archer A7 provides reliable Wi-Fi performance and essential security features, the Archer AX73 offers advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, enhanced security with Home Shield, and a more powerful hardware configuration for optimized network performance. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay tuned for our next video.